So today we're going to talk about something that nobody really posts about, and that's trim damage. Furniture hits it, corners get banged up, stairs get loose, ceiling trim starts separating, and suddenly your house looks way more beat up than it actually is. Today I'm using the Boncart Drywall Repair Kit to fix a few spots that have been bothering me for a while. First off, the corner trim that got hit by furniture. Then we're going to do the stairway trim that just started pulling away over time, and finally we're going to do ceiling trim that started separating. None of this is call a contractor damage, but it's annoying and I was tired of looking at it. This kit comes with 2 tubes of wall mending agent and a scraper. Simple. No extra tools, no trips to the store, which I love. It's also going to come with a sanding paper. You squeeze a little bit out and use the scraper to press it into the cracks and gaps. I used my finger, or you can use a paper towel. This is not runny. This is not messy. You just work it in and it smooths itself out along the trim. After it's dried, you can lightly smooth it with a scraper or sandpaper. Honestly, it's going to look a ton better. Once you fix up that paint, you won't even know it was damaged. Look at this. The corner looks clean. The stairs look solid again. We were sent this kit to test out, and it's easy to use. It's thick and workable formula. It comes with tools. It's great for trims and cracks. You don't have to mix and there's no mess. So this is perfect for small fixes you keep putting off.